Distinguished guests, I stand before you tonight to present these awards to our historic honorees, as well as celebrate the 30th anniversary of the signing of the Orphan Drug Act. As a member of the next generation of patient advocates, I want to take a moment to look back and thank those visionaries who laid the foundation upon which we, this new generation, will carry the torch and continue to move forward. Each honoree has looked past seemingly insurmountable obstacles, finding hope and promise where others were stymied. They fought for the rights of people with rare diseases when no one else would. And without their tireless dedication, we with rare disorders would still be relegated as afterthoughts, outliers in the medical community. I myself was born with a rare condition known as epidermolysis bullosa. The disorder affects the skin and connective tissues and renders the skin very fragile. I know that we, in the rare disease community, have these honorees to thank in large part for the comfort and validation that we take in knowing that just because we are labeled rare, we are no less than any other person. The founding of NORD and the passage of the Orphan Drug Act are remarkable triumphs for our community. Now it is our time to empower more patients in the community to become advocates for themselves. While we did not choose to have rare disorders, we can choose to act for change. We can choose to find our own voice amidst the search for effective treatments and expanded access to a quality, affordable health care. We accept this challenge as we move forward to new frontiers. And as we do this, we will never forget these remarkable leaders who first declared that we were worth it. Thank you.